How to clear cache in Aviator. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove all the temporary files. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So basically we in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can even directly go to app info. Now here on the right bottom, tap on clear data. So here there are two different options, clear all data or clear cache. Simply tap on clear cache and at last tap on OK. Now it will take some time, and as you can see, all the temporary files have been removed. Now you can simply go back and you can easily restart the app. Now there won't be any lags and it will run smoothly also. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.